I'm so excited in this video because after about 15 months, we are going to see our fellowship members for the first time after the pandemic. Oh, come with us, guys. Let's go and see our dear friend. Welcome back to my channel. It's bridge time. Thank you for always supporting me. I appreciate you all. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. I know you want to leave us.
I have to go.
Yeah, I understand. It's okay. But we are always with you prayers.
Thank you so much.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Are you good? Are you well?
Yeah. Thank God for everything. Thank God.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, you can sit wherever, anywhere.
Who says that?
Joe and Charlie are sitting here.
Okay.
So fill in.
Hello, Grandma. Hi. Hi, Katie.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you after a very long time. Good to see you all. Yeah. Good to see you all. I'm glad now. Hello.
My nerves are shot. Okay? Praise God, He has a plan, and I'm just glad I'm part of that plan.
Amen.
Welcome Joe and Charlie here.
Yes.
I'm sure we'll be sharing with Charlie will share a little bit after what the plans are in a few months' time. And so it's just great to get together. So at the moment, I'm just going to give thanks, and then we're going to sing one song. To God be the glory. Okay. Through the powers of technology, we've got it all here. Okay?
That's nice.
Okay. That's all. Let's give thanks. Let's have a hand.
Praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Jesus, the song, and He is the glory. Great is He. Praise the Lord, let the earth hear His voice. Praise the Lord, people rejoice. To the Father, through Jesus, the Son, and give Him the glory. Great things He has done. Guys, I was really excited to see them all because we all know how this pandemic affected everyone, especially in this country that we are in. Yet, none of them were reported dead, broken, missing, you know. None of them were reported to be afflicted or sick with the disease. I give God all the glory.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Yes, D-Day. Yes. The British and the Americans went to France
Yeah.
on hundreds and hundreds of ships
Okay.
to attack it.
Yeah. Take some. Love it.